Alabama is located in the southeastern region of the United States. It was the 22nd state in the nation and is the 30th largest state by area. The state is known for its iron and steel natural resources, southern hospitality, sweet tea, and football. Here are some interesting facts about Alabama. 1. The state was named after the Alabama River, which got its name from the Indian tribe that lived in the territory. The name Alabama comes from a combination of two Choctaw words, alba, meaning vegetation or plants, and amo, meaning gatherer or picker. 2. Alabama is the only state with all major natural resources needed to make iron and steel. It is also the largest supplier of cast iron and steel pipe products. 3. Alabama is home to African-American baseball pioneers Hank Aaron and Willie Mays, as well as legendary boxer Joe Louis. 4. It's the only state that required you to be a legal adult to enjoy its official drink. In 2004, the state recognized Conecuh Ridge whiskey as the beverage of Alabama. Most other states have opted for juice, soda, or the most popular choice, milk. 5. Participating in bear wrestling is a Class B felony, which is the same as being charged with manslaughter. Many years ago, this was actually entertainment and the bears would usually be declawed, have their teeth removed and sometimes have tendons severed before a fight. 6. In Alabama, it is illegal to play dominoes on a Sunday. According to Alabama Criminal Code, it is illegal to race, hunt or play cards or dominoes on a Sunday. A person can be charged anywhere from $10 to $100, jailed, or forced to do hard labor for no more than 3 months. 7. The celebration of modern Christmas, with traditions of decorating trees, singing carols and giving gifts, has its roots in the South. In 1836, Alabama reportedly became the first to make Christmas a state holiday, according to the History Channel, followed by Louisiana and Arkansas in 1838. 8. In Anniston, Alabama, you can visit the world's largest office chair. It's made from 10 tons of steel, probably about 3 times the weight of your family's car. 9. Alabama is home to the United States' largest snail population. Believe it or not, 43% of all snails in the United States live in Alabama. 10. Alabama's state constitution has over 300,000 words and over 775 amendments. That makes it the longest state constitution and the most amended state constitution in the world. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more facts and stories.